And new at 10 tonight, we told you earlier today that COVID-19 booster shots would be available by September 20th. Around the same time, the flu shot will be available. But will there be any negative reaction to the two? 5 News reporter Michael Wilson spoke with pharmacies about this to see if they're ready for this fall. He joins us live from Fayetteville. Micah?
Erica, I spoke with 2 pharmacies, one here in Northwest Arkansas, the other in the River Valley, and they are encouraging everyone to get both the flu and the COVID-19 shot as soon as possible. After missing out on flu season last year, pharmacies are gearing up and already ordering doses of the flu shot.
We would encourage everybody to start getting it as soon as it's available.
Gary Fancher with Call Your Drugs in Fayetteville say people should begin going to their local pharmacies in September to get the flu shot, which is coming on the heels of when a booster shot of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine should be approved by the CDC.
You can receive multiple immunizations on the same day, including COVID vaccine.
Justin Boyd with Coleman Pharmacy in Alma says people do not have to wait to get their flu and COVID shots. They can get both on the same day.
That it's okay to have the COVID vaccine with any other vaccine.
As we get closer to date, the CDC will put out a final recommendation on this. When getting both shots, Boyd recommends getting it in separate arms.
There's a reason you can't do them in separate arms. You would want to separate them by at least an inch apart.
For kids eligible for both vaccinations, they're given the same recommendations. Pharmacists asking all Arkansans to get both vaccines, afraid of what flu and COVID hospitalizations would do to our hospitals.
I don't want to imagine that. I can't imagine. It's been devastating enough what our hospitals and, as we were discussing, nurses are going through right now.
He says there's 2 reasons we didn't have this situation to fear last year.
We're all wearing masks. Secondly, we weren't going out to different venues so much as we're starting to now.
And both pharmacists really wanted to drive the importance of getting both vaccines, saying that they want to prevent people from getting severely sick and hospitalized. And we have the tools, we just have to use them. I'm live in Fayetteville, covering news where you live. Michael Wilson, 5 News.
All right, Micah, thanks. Now, we also asked the pharmacies about a possible vaccine shortage for the flu shot. Collier said they aren't expecting one and have already started ordering the flu shot.